join me and my dad while we explore subscription boxes, the outdoors, gear and equipment, and other fun things and places. Before we get started, hit like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. Ding! As you can see, Santa Claus is going to be coming soon.
Well, thank you for that amazing introduction, Miraculous Girl. Well, everyone, thank you for watching. Happy New Year. Merry Christmas. Hope you had a great Christmas, great holidays. As we get prepared to roll into the next year of 2022, which is going to start off pretty much the same way 2021 started off. I don't expect there to be a lot of differences. Anyway, so today we're going to take a look at a Victorinox, depending on what country you're from, Swiss Army knife. This one comes in a brown box. Very cool knife in here. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. You have a topographical map on this. How cool is that? So you got the topographical map on there. And this is the Spartan model. We've probably gone over a Spartan before. And this one just has some really unique scales on it. So let's go ahead. The other side is just a regular fine black. Problem with the black is you leave your fingerprints on it. So you have your key ring on here. And let's zoom in a little bit here. We got our key ring on there. You have your scale tools consisting of a pair of the famous Swiss Army knife tweezers. And then on this side you have your toothpick. And I think I have black ones, and I may change these out for the black ones. So on the back side we have the corkscrew, again standard for the Spartan. And this scale tool does have a hole. You probably won't be able to see it in there. It does have a hole for the straight pin, which I can add one of those. You have the reamer awl with the sewing eye. Cool. Your key ring, by the way, is part of that reamer layer. And next up, you have the bottle opener with a 90-degree stop, a wire bender, wire stripper, and a straight screwdriver. Other than the blade, my most frequently used Swiss Army knife tools, the can opener, you have a micro screwdriver. I use the can opener quite frequently. You have your main blade. I think they call it a spear point blade. It says Officer Swiss on this side of the tag, and the other side is Victorinox Swiss made stainless. And then last but not least, you have your small blade. I almost think they should go back to the clip point. I think the clip point blade, I like the clip point blade. Anyway, so that was a special edition scaled Swiss Army knife. And once again, I said it was a Spartan model. It's one of the basic models on the Swiss Army knife. And, you know, they come with a lot of different scales and stuff on the Spartan. I just thought this one was rather unique, so I thought I would share it with you guys. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Give us a like, give us a subscribe, and remember, be nice to each other.